look injured at all.
What are you doing?
Yeah. And didn't react funny or anything. No.
You just trying to stay
Might
dry
just be
out of the
tired or
storm?
something.
Tired, or he may have fell out of his nest or something. When it rained, because it rained heavy
Yeah.
Yeah.
for a second. Or his parents are in that tree, because a lot of people get attacked when they park over there.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's some birds with white tails. They'll swing down and try to
But
nip
you
your
don't
ear.
have any white tails.
Yeah.
But
No telling.
You do have some immature tail feathers.
True.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's still a baby. Yeah, it probably belongs over there.
Would you like to go back to your tree?